Capgemini is one of the oldest IT company and it has been started in 1967, and the headquarter of this company is in Paris, which is in France, and more than 3,58,000 employees are still working with the company. So you can understand how big this company is and what kind of benefit this company is providing, because company has huge number of employees working with the company. So hey guys, this is Sheetal and I welcome you all on my channel Sheetal Rudraksh. So in this video I'm going to share 4 opportunities which is available with Capgemini. These all profiles are technical profile but from the different categories, different segments. So I hope you guys will like this video. And guys, I have a request. If you guys new to the channel or you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos, because I am sharing career updates on my channel and it will be definitely help you out. So now let's get started and let's discuss about the profiles. So guys, the first profile which is available with the company, it is Informatica MDM developer, and this is available for Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune and Bangalore location. So it is for the multiple location. And if you will talk about the job description, you should have at least 2 to 3 years of experience in configuring MDM objects like landing, staging, base object and cleanse function. You should have experience of configuration of business rules, configuration like trust setting, validation rules, match and merge rules. You should have experience in designing, mapping, using cleanse function, skill required Informatica, multiple domain, MDM, Informica, Power Center, SQL, Unix. So you should have at least 2 to 3 years of experience. And if you will talk about the primary skills, they need experience in configuration of data flow, land, stage, load, tokenize, match, consolidate, and they need people who have experience in creating queries, package and working with data manager and custom package. And secondary skills, if we will talk about, so the person should have data marts using Informatica Power Center and experience in shell scripting. So these are the secondary skills, and this position has been updated on 14th of Feb. So yesterday this position has been updated, and this is a permanent work profile. Let's talk about the second profile. Second profile is for the data visualization, and if you will talk about the job description, they need BI developer, and you should have experience into BI tool like QuickView, QuickSense, Tableau, Power BI. You should have experience into data modeling, transformation of large scale data source using SQL, Hadoop, Spark, Hive or other big data technologies. You should know these things also, and you should have at least 1 year of experience in 2 to 3 complete life cycle implementation of BI projects, and they need person who has proficient knowledge of RDBMS concept and SQL. So these are the things they are looking for actually. They are looking for people who have good analytical and problem solving skills. They need people who have good documentation skills also, and also they are looking people who have excellent communication skills. So this profile has been updated on 13th of February, and this is also a permanent role, and this is available for Mumbai location. Another profile is for software analyst, and here the major requirement is for MongoDB, and the primary skills which they required is developer, software engineering experience, and 1 to 3 years of experience on MongoDB. So if you have worked on MongoDB, you can apply for this, and this profile is available for Bangalore location, and it has also been updated on 13th of February. This is also a latest profile, and it is also a permanent profile. Let's talk about the another profile, which is software engineer lead profile. So if we will talk about the job description, they are looking Java expert, Spring Boot expert, containerized application development, Docker expert, API performance testing, optimization. They are looking expert, API security expert, CI/CD using Azure repos pipeline, expert microservice architecture. Person should have good knowledge of event driven architecture, and the person should have good knowledge of Kafka also. And the primary skills they are looking for Java, Spring Boot, Kubernetes, Azure, and secondary skills is Docker. And this is also updated on 13th of February, and this is also permanent role, and this is available for the Pune location. So the profiles which I have shared, these all are the very latest profiles, and it has been updated 1 or 2 days back only. Now let's talk about the application process. So I'm giving you 4 links in the description box. Once you will click on the link, you will see the apply button, and you just need to click on apply button, and after that you can apply for it. So this is a profile which is directly updated on the career page of Capgemini. There is no third party involved here. So guys, I hope I have covered the maximum details related to these profiles, but if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new and informative video. Till then, take care and keep supporting me.